Children, I have finished trigonometry SA-1 important questions. Now I am going to do with the next chapter, that is application of trigonometry. In this 12.1 exercise I am dealing with now. In this 12.1 exercise you have got 3, 5, 7, 8 problems are important. So let me talk about third problem. It starts about a contractor wants, let me read this problem. The problem is a contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. You know about the slide, children, with it the children will play. He wants to set it up at a height of 2 meters. The height of the slide should be 2 meters. By making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground, what should be the length of the slide? So what is that he is saying? Let us draw a figure, children. For these applications of trigonometry, your entire problem deals with the figure that you are drawing. You have to draw the perfect figure. What is that they said? He wanted to make a slide, the height of the slide. Let us consider AB is the height of the slide. So he wanted to he wants to set up a slide of height 2 meters. So the height of the slide is 2 meters and it is making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. Let us take C. Now this angle is 30 degrees with the ground. Now the question is, what should be the length of the slide? So this is length of the slide, how much? So let us write what each one indicates. AB is the height of the slide, that is equal to 2 meters, and angle C is the angle made by the slide with the ground. How much, children, it is? 30 degrees. And what is BC? BC is the length of the slide. So how much is this length? We need to find out. So how will you do this sum? You have got it as a right angle triangle, always slide stands perpendicular, no? So here let us talk about this. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So trigonometrical ratios, this is a chapter itself is application of trigonometry. You are using the trigonometrical values and you are solving this problem. Now this is 30 degrees. For this you have got opposite side and you are asking hypotenuse. So you can say that sine 30 degrees is equal to AB by BC. Now you find out what is sine 30 degrees, children. Sine 30 degrees in the table 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to AB. AB measures 2 by BC. So what is BC? 2 into 2, that is 4. So what is BC, children? Length. Therefore, length of the slide is equal to 4 meters. This is the answer for this problem, children. So please copy this. Now let us see the fifth problem, children. What is the fifth problem says? The fifth problem says you want to set up, it goes on like this. The question is, you want to set up a pole of height 10 meters vertically with the support of 3 ropes. Each rope has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the pole. What should be the length of the rope, total rope? This means what, children? You need to support a rope. Suppose a pole. A pole is like this. If this pole needs to be kept upon the, made to stand upon a floor, you have to tie it. What they did, they have tied it with 3 ropes. 1 rope here, 1 rope here, 1 rope here. So these 3 ropes are making an angle of 30 degrees with the rope, with the pole, or with the pole. Now what you need to find out, what is the length of the 3 ropes. So let us draw the figure, children. Let us consider AB 10 meters and it is making an angle with the pole 30 degrees. So it is making an angle with the pole 30 degrees, and what should be, let us consider this as BC, what should be the length of the pole? Let me consider it as length of the rope they are asking, let it be X. So what is AB? AB is height of the pole. How much, children, it is? 10 meters. BC is length of one rope, that is X meters. How many ropes they have used? Number of ropes used. Number of ropes used is equal to 3. And angle made. Angle B, let me write here angle B. Angle B is the angle made by the rope with the pole. Now let us go to the figure calculation, children. So when you know how to draw the figure, the remaining part is very easy. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, see, for this 30 degrees, adjacent side, and it is hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse is cos theta. Your task lies here only, children, to identify. If you know the trigonometrical ratios, very easily you can identify. Cos 30 is equal to AB by X. What is cos 30 value, children? Root 3 by 2 is equal to 10 by X. So X root 3 is equal to 2 into 10. So what is X? 2 into 10 by root 3. What is this, children? It is length of one rope. How many ropes you want? 3 ropes you want. So length of 3 ropes. Length of 3 ropes. What I can do? This is equal to 2 into 10 by root 3 multiplied by 3. Okay. That means 2 into 10 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. Here this is 2, children. Sorry. 2 into 10. So that means what? 20 into root 3 value is 1.732. So when you multiply, 20 means 0. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 7s are 14. 2 1s are 2 1 3. So 34.640. So it can be 34.6 meters. Length of 3 ropes is equal to 34.6 meters. So what should be the length of the rope? He said actually 3 ways there. Each rope has 30 degrees, means the length of 3 ropes will be 36.4 meters. This is the answer of this problem, children. I hope you have followed. Please copy it. It's fifth problem. Now we'll go to the seventh problem. Now let us see what is the seventh problem. An electrician wants to repair. It goes on like this. The question is, an electrician wants to repair an electric connection on the pole of height 9 meters. The total height of the pole is 9 meters. He needs to reach 1.8 meters below the top of the pole to do the repair. At the tip of the pole, electric connections will not be there, children. Definitely it will be little bit down, so 1.8 meters below. What should be the length of the ladder he should use when it makes an angle of 60 degrees to the ground, and what will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? This is the question. So, actually there is a electric pole. AB. Let us consider this as an electrician wants to repair and pole of height 9 meters. It is 9 meters. Now here he needs to reach 1.8 meters below. This is 1.8 meters. Now he needs to make, this ladder has to make an angle of 30 degrees with the base. They said no. What should be angle of 60 degrees? Sorry, not 30. An angle of 60 degrees with the ground. What will be the distance between the foot of the ladder and the foot of the pole? First one is, what is the length of the ladder? You have to find out what is this distance. You have to find out. So what is AB? AB is the height of electric pole. AC is the height. What is that? He said he needs to reach, height to reach. AC is the height to reach. How will you get, children? From 9 you have to subtract 1.8. So from 9 meters, 1.8. Here you will be getting 2. Here you will be getting 7. 7.2 meters. So this height is 7.2 meters. Now, angle D is angle made by the ladder to the ground. This is equal to 60 degrees. Now the question is, you have to find out the length of the ladder as well as the distance between the ladder. So, CD is the length of the ladder and AD is the distance between the ladder and the pole. Now, in triangle ADC, angle A is 90 degrees. So, for 60 degrees, this is opposite side by hypotenuse. So, sin 60 degrees is equal to AC by CD. What is sin 60 degrees? It is root 3 by 2 is equal to AC is 7.2 by CD. That means root 3 CD is equal to 7.2 into 2. So, what is CD? CD is 7.2 into 2 by root 3. So, here you are rationalizing. You are rationalizing the denominator on rationalizing the denominator. What you are getting? 7.2 into 2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. That means 7.2 into 2 into root 3 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So this is 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 into 1.732. So 1.732 into 4.8. 8 2s are 16, 24 1 25, 56, 57, 58, 8 1s are 8, 5, 30. Then 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 28 1 21, 4 1s are 4 1 5. So I'll get 6, 13, 11, 37. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, that is 7.3136. That means 7.3 meters is, what is that? Length of the ladder. CD is equal to 7.3 meters. Now I need space to do AD, children. So first you copy this, then I will be doing AD here. So I do AD. So AD you want means for 60 adjacent side by, you can take, this is 7.2, no? Opposite side by adjacent side. That means tan 60 degrees is equal to AC by AD. Tan 60 root 3. AC is 7.2 by AD. That means root 3 AD is equal to 7.2. So what is AD? 7.2 by root 3. Again on rationalizing the denominator, 7.2 by root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 7.2 into root 3 by 3. 3 2s are 3 4s are. So how much you are getting? 2.4 into 1.732. So let me multiply. 1.732 into 2.4. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 28 1 29, 4 1s are 4 1 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 1 3. 8, 6, 15, 10, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.0568 meters. That means how much you are getting? 4.1 approximately. You can take it as 4. It is 5, 4, 9, 1, 10. Okay. How much you are getting? 4 7 are 28. Sorry children, you will be getting 6 here. 6 means here you will be getting 1. So 4.15 approximately 4.2 meters. So AD, therefore AD is equal to 4.2 meters. This is one answer and this is another answer for this problem. Please copy. This part is the multiplication part, children, that I have done for this. Copy it. Next I am going to do with 8th problem. Now, the 8th problem, a boat has to reach. Let me read the problem. A boat has to cross a river. It crosses the river by making an angle of 60 degrees with the bank of the river due to stream of the river. And it travels a distance of 600 meters to reach another side of the river. What is the width of the river? So, children, river means, let us consider these are the two banks of the river. So, let me write AB is the width of the river. Boat is here. Because of the flow of the water in the river, it has to go. The boat has to take an angle and it should move. Directly straight it cannot go because of the waves that are coming in that river. So it has to make an angle of 60. They have given how much? The angle they have given 60 degrees. It is making, and it has travelled totally 600 meters to cross this. Now the question is, what is the width of the river? So here AB is the width of the river and BC is distance travelled by the boat, that is 600 meters, and angle C is angle made by the boat with the bank of the river, that is 60 degrees. Now, how will you solve this? Now you have got here 90 degrees. So you take triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 90 degrees. So you want AB. AB is how much you want. So this is opposite side. That means sine 60 degrees is equal to AB by BC. Now, what is this sine 60 degrees? Sine 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 is equal to AB you don't know by BC 600. So, 2AB is equal to 600 root 3. So, what is AB? 600 root 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So AB is 300 root 3. So 300 root 3, you can convert it into certain meters. How children? Multiply 300 with 1.732. So 2 zeros, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3 2, 5. So 519.6, these zeros can be taken out. So 520 meters. So approximately. So width of the river. Width of the river is equal to, in your textbook, you have got the answer 300 root 3 meters, or you can even write 520 meters. This is the answer, children. I hope you have understood. These are the problems in this exercise to learn. Please copy this. Next one, I'll deal it in the next